Tamam dediğin arıyor ya herkes herkes siyasetini bırakıyor. Ya hastalığı. وانت هو خفيف ما كل زي ما راح لازم تشوف تفهم بس كمان في آخر يوم هني تريكوز إن جت يخان غير نونسنس كلنا كذا سامي Sorry.
Just looking at the length there, we call the slot of a pitch, beautifully weighted, great swing of the willow through. This is where really the opposition are on the field. 25 to 31 runs. Close to that 200 mark.
It's a bit groen.
It's a very, very
Volle groen aan.
street smart cricketer, Kunal Pandya. We see that in his bowling, even with his batting. He's got this great ability to play some innovative shots. We saw one attempt just now. And is he standing deep in the crease? Not really. He's actually looked to go down in the crease. What a clean strike that was. Yes, he is actually standing in the crease. How long that almost certainly cannot get them a wicket. But which at this time of the innings is where it's worth going. The one they chose to go to the side of the right-hand marker. Soft ball at the back end is how well can you execute your wide Yorker. Your leg stump. The wide Yorker doesn't so hard as it takes it straight over your head shot away. And what he's doing beautifully here is he's not being predictable. He's not being cool all the time. Slowing to the surface. And then as a batter, when you're sitting back, you try to pick that up. He fires that wide Yorker in because most people are leg side of the ball. So fantastic bowling by Natarajan. Just mixing it up. Kunal, no idea what's coming next. But you can see the two weapons, the Yorker and the slow ball bouncer.
It was decelerating towards the end. RCB. Not quite as dramatic as we saw yesterday with Bloom and KKR. Fine Yorker again.
This is a really good over so far. Yes, just 2 runs so far in the 19th over. That is excellent bowling, top class bowling.
I'm not taking my sneakers off. I am Sneakers O'Toole.
His nickname was Yorker Muhammad because we saw him in the TMPL holding Yorkers at will. Can he bowl another here? Dinesh in strike.